Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ratio worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the topic of ratio, and we're asked to solve various problems. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So for this first slide, I will leave it on for about 1 minute, and if you need more time, just pause the video, but after 1 minute, I will go on to the next slide. So good luck with it and see how you go. Okay, we'll go to the second slide now. Remember, you can pause this slide at any time if you need more time to work on it. So here is the second slide. I'll leave that on for 1 minute, and again, you can pause it for as long as you want if you need more time. Good luck with this one. Okay, I'll go to the last slide now, but by all means pause this slide for as long as you want. I hope you enjoyed the exercises.